Welcome campers. Today we're between Globe and Roosevelt Lake on a forest road airing down.
We're about to hit the road, log in some new camp spots, and then end up right by the river. Stay tuned.
You thirsty boy beans?
Hi.
Issues with the front drive shaft. Some of the CV joint in the center of it went out, so I did order a brand new Adams drive shaft that should be here soon. So this trail, we're not doing anything crazy, we're just going far away from people, and we're gonna try to have an awesome Riverside camp spot. I guess we ran into an old cattle setup with a whole bunch of bees and a super awesome windmill. Honestly, I like to be just out in the fresh air and away from people, most of all.
Just exploring new places, seeing things we haven't seen before.
Yeah, same here. now that we have the blue cheese bacon burgers, we're gonna make some habanero raspberry sauce for them. We couldn't find legit mixed sauce, so we got raspberry preservatives and habanero hot sauce to make it. Should come out really, really good. We got some awesome
blue cheese bacon berry burgers.
new camp favorite already. We decided to call it a night to get an early start on the next day. Good morning, campers. I started up the Jeep this morning to get the batteries charged for the fridge and to charge our phones and cameras and all that. But last night was pretty awesome. Good night's sleep. It did get a little chilly, wasn't too terrible. But it was awesome hearing the rapids last night just while sleeping. Natalie's up in the tent with Bean, trying to keep him warm. I'm down here. I'm gonna make some coffee and some breakfast for us. Ooh, that's cold. Get the coffee ready for the French press. All right, the water's almost to a boil. It's almost, nope, it is boiling. Turn that off. Fogged up my glasses. Okay, the rest for coffee. Might have some bacon from last night too. This place is beautiful. I think Bean was barking at some ducks a few minutes ago. He's out here just walking around. Sun is almost fully up though. After this coffee and eating this bacon. I already had my oatmeal, but after eating this and drinking this, we're gonna start packing up camp. Call it a day since it is Sunday. Got work tomorrow, unfortunately. So we're slowly starting to figure out Bean as part goat. All right, dude, calm down on that thing. Alright, you guys. So now that we have camp all packed up, it's just time to head up to the top. We'll air up and then call it a trip. Oh, we see the cows. Oh yeah, it's a big cow. Those look like you, Bean, just bigger.
We're just gonna hide behind Dad.
You really just eating a piece of cactus, dude? Bean, you want to see the cow? Oh, is that Bean? Face to face. Bean and the cow. That cow does not care about you, Bean. Oh. Alright, Bean. Oh, look at all the babies and the mama. Alright, you guys, we just got up to the air up spot. So we're just going to air up, call it a trip, and head home and get ready for the trip next weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and watch some of our other videos. And we'll see you on the next trip. Bye.